talk about sports car. So, for those who love sports car, please raise your hands.
I cannot read.
Do you guys know or do you even have an idea what the fastest sports car is?
Hindi bugahan.
Ferrari. Depends on the
I
driver.
guess nobody knows the answer, so I will now introduce to you the first fastest sports car in the world. And the first fastest sports car in the world is Bugatti Veyron Super Sport. The fastest street legal production in the world, developed and designed by the Volkswagen Group and manufactured in Lausanne, France by Bugatti Automobiles SAS. Top speed 267.856 mph. It was named Car of the Decade from 2000 to 2009. Now, the second fastest car is the second fastest car in the world, produced by Texas-based Hennessy Performance Engineering, manufactures from a modified chassis of the Lotus Exile, top speed 260 mph, and the third one is the SSC American built mid-engine sports car by SSC North America. It is powered by a V8 twin-turbo engine. The car gives more than 1,100 newton-meters worth of torque and almost 1,200 horsepower. Top speed 257 mph. So, the conclusion, car makers don't always use the same vehicle to certify their records. This means that when you create a list of the fastest cars in the world, they need to be tested. And the expert agrees that Bugatti, Hennessy, and SSC Ultimate Hero are the top 3 fastest sports cars in the world. So, that's all.